Let us look at how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. To do this, we're going to first understand what this type of matrices are. What are 3 by 3 matrices? Then we're going to walk through the steps that we need to follow to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, and then we'll do some examples together applying those steps. So what are 3 by 3 matrices? A 3 by 3 matrix is one that has 3 rows and 3 columns. Examples. Let's go with an example here. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Another example would be something like this. Negative 1, 2, 0, 3, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5. So you can see here that we have 3 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, and then we have 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. So now how do we go about finding the determinant of this type of matrices? So what we're going to do is we're going to pay attention to a few things. You're going to see here that we're going to start by, we're going to draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. So this is going to be our vertical line and our horizontal line. So you see at the point where those lines meet, we're going to select that as this value here, and then what we have here, we need a scalar multiplier for a 2 by 2 matrix. So we're going to have this A over here and then E, F, H, I. Then once you're done with that, you'll draw your vertical line right here at B, and then you're going to have D, F, G, I. And then once you're done with that, you're going to draw another vertical line right here, and then you have D, E, G, H. But one of the most important things to pay attention to here is to see that there's an alternating sign before the scalar multiplier. So you can see here, this is positive, this is negative, and then this is positive. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrices. If you're not sure how to find the determinant, there's going to be a video lesson to show you how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. So now let's go ahead and apply this to some examples that we have. So we start off with this one here. So let's go ahead and we're going to draw our horizontal line and then our vertical line. You can see that they meet at the point of 4. So we have 4, and then we have 5, negative 1, 5, negative 1, and then 2, negative 8. And then here we have 1, so we're going to do for 1 right here. So we're going to have minus 1, and then we have negative 3, negative 1, and then we have negative 6, negative 8. And then we have plus, and so we have this right here, and then we have negative 2, and then we put this out here, and we have negative 3, 5, negative 6, 2. So now we are going to find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrices. So don't forget, you can always go this way: A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. And your determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, let's call it X, is going to be AD minus BC. So let's go ahead and apply this. So we have 4, AD is negative 40, minus BC, minus negative 2, so that is plus 2, then minus 1, and then we have AD, negative 3 multiplied by negative 8, that is 24, minus negative 6 multiplied by negative 1, that is 6, and then plus, and then you have a negative here, so this is just going to be minus 2, and then we have AD, negative 3 minus 2, that is negative 6, BC is negative 30, but it's a minus minus, so this is plus 30. So here we have 4 multiplied by negative 38 minus 1 multiplied by 18 minus 2 multiplied by 24. So this is going to give us negative 152 minus 18 minus 48. So this is going to be negative 218. That is going to be the determinant of this matrix. So the determinant of A is equal to negative 218. Okay, let's look at another example. What is the determinant of this matrix? Always remember the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is AD minus BC. So we're going to draw our vertical line and then our horizontal line. So we have 1, and then we have negative 4, 1, and then 3, negative 1. And then we switch over our vertical line to this spot right here. And then we have minus 2, and then we have 1. Actually, when we have minus 2 here, then you have 0, 1, 0, negative 1. And then we have plus 3, and then you have 0, negative 4, 0, 3. And so the next step we're going to go through is we're going to multiply the number out here, which is our scalar multiplier, by the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix. So we have 1 multiplied by, remember our AD, we can do A, B, C, D. So we have AD minus BC. So AD here is going to be 4 minus 3 minus 2 multiplied by AD and BC, so 0 minus 0, plus 3 multiplied by 0 minus 0. So this is going to be 1 multiplied by 1, which is going to be equal to 1. So the determinant of matrix A is going to be equal to 1. Now let's do another example. What is the determinant of this matrix? So we're going to start off by doing that. And remember, for a 2 by 2 matrix, determinant of A is AD minus BC. So we're going to start with 5. And we have 3, negative, actually you don't need a comma. So we're going to have 3, negative 1, 0, 7. And then we change our vertical line over here. And then we have minus negative 2. And then we have this here is going to be 0, negative 1, 2, 7. And then we switch over to this right here. And then we have plus 1. And we have 0, 3, 2, 0. Okay, the next step here is to multiply the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrices by the scalar multiplier on the outside. So this is 5 multiplied by AD, 21 minus 0, so 21 minus 0, plus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 2. So 0 minus negative 2, so 0 plus 2, plus 1. This is going to be 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. So this is 105 plus 4 minus 6. This is going to give you 103. So the determinant of this matrix A is equal to 103.